Websites I bet you didn't know existed. Let's go! Type my90stv.com in your Google search bar. It's gonna lead you to My 90's TV homepage. How cool is that? There's a retro TV on the homepage where you can change channels, volume, and even turn off the TV pressing the power button. Here I'm watching a soccer game. So I'm zooming in, and here you can select what you want to watch. There are a lot of categories like comedy, drama, kids, sports. I'm choosing cartoon. And there you go. You're good to watch all the retro TV shows you have been craving. You're welcome.